Thirikari ni orotetwo ta kihumo kia uregenyuku wa makanitha maria makuruhanitio na guthomithia arumiriri ao mawitikio mogomu.
Yes, thank you very much, Chair.
Mbere ya kamiti ya mwanya ya Senate irathuthuria ikuũ cia Shakahola na iria iratongorio ni muikari giti Danson Mungatana uria nowe Senator wa Tana River, Kanju ya makanitha ncck, kiugano kia mabishofu wa kanitha gatoreki na kanitha cia mitaratara othe na mugabo umwe maugite njuragano iria ciahanikire mutito-ini wa Shakahola rungu rwa muhunjia muregenyuku Paul tigithimi kiganu gia kuonania uthio wa kanitha wi wothe na riu marauga matigwitikira thirikari ira matemirutire ya wira ya makanitha kuonania wegondereire wira-ini wayo.
With freedom comes responsibility. The more the freedom, the more the responsibility. We are free to worship, but we also have a responsibility, and that is why, for example, as ncck, we have a framework for all our member churches to make sure that they do not violate the rights of other people and they follow the doctrine. That responsibility must be ascertained somewhere.
Magitariria haria bururi umite gwata thiriti ya thirikari na kanitha kuma hindi ya wathani wa Kano, ncck yugite Kanju ya kwandikithia makanitha niyo yahingurie murango wa o mundu kuhingura kanitha wake amu mahinda-ini mau kanitha iria cianyitaga thirikari baru nocio ciaheagwo muhari wa mbere undu uria wacungiriirie njetukano.
Where we have seen politicians financing a meeting and calling it what you call interfaith meeting or interfaith breakfast meeting, and all what emanates from there are political statements. Some of us are very uncomfortable.
Atongoria aya mathiete na mbere kuga riendekithia ya hujia makoragwo na githomo kia degree mathomo-ini ma dini tigithimi kiganu kia wagiriru wa utungata riu makenda muungano wa makanitha uheo hinya makiria makuheana mitaratara ya wagiriru wa mathomo ona witikio na uria ukwagarara gatacukirio ikinya ria kiwatho.
In my view, Mackenzie is ignorant of religion and he got the powers to do what he did, and that is why the product of Shakahola came in. So let's not ignore the issue of degree or a theology whereby somebody should have a knowledge of religion.
ncck is also of the view that imposing high or degree as requirements for someone to run a church or to become an MCA or become a senator, we have not reached that level.
Gikaro-ini giki thirikari no ikorete haceke thutha wa Kanju ya makanitha ncck kuithuria ati mithira ya muhunjia Paul Mackenzie yonetwo gatene ni kamiti ya ncck kaunti-ini ya Kilifi na makihura riboti maita maigana ona noguo kwa watho gwikirira muhuthia riu Kanju ya mabishofu wa kanitha wa gatoreki makiuga thirikari ibatie ikuwe murigo uyu na iguru wa uguo maherere ya Kenya na makiria ma family 200 iria ciuritwo ni andu ao.
This should not be the reason to touch the freedom of religion. The freedom of religion being respected, the concern of the Register of Societies and the Act should be, if this religious organization wants to be registered, how much does its foundational papers, documents, promote the Bill of Rights? That would be the question at the registration point.
Ihinda-ini riu mere 10 ni hukuritio mutito-ini wa Shakahola omothe namba ya mere ire hukuritio gikinya 278 nayo mere 19 riu igitamburwo ni family. Giribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.